Here's the Milton Devestation. Fort Pierce. This is like some Kansas stuff right here. It's worse than a tornado in trailer park.
This is my dirt, these are my people.
That is the Milton Devestation right there. Wow. Well, at least AT&T's out here, so they're gonna have Wi-Fi soon. Got some more action going on back here. Look at those connexes. Oh, that was a tornado right there. Haven't seen that before. So apparently Milton just came down just one strip. Took out quite a few businesses. That's not for lease anymore. You would think these containers would hold. Oh, dude. Guess not. That looks to be like some kind of elementary. The fences and barbed wire all over the place. Oh, look. Something of something. It's in the canal. Don't know what that is. So you have these panels everywhere. Apparently it's probably not a good idea to use these panels because this is pretty far where they came out to. So this is part of the path of the tornado, Mr. Milton. It took out some bush. And that is the end of this road. We're gonna go back down the same road. You're gonna see these panels everywhere. But Here's something interesting. One of these panels down here. Look at this. Now what? Oh shit. Damn. That just cut me. What the hell? For no reason. So the panels are heavy. I slapped my finger pretty good. Damn it. Got my ketchup coming out. And this stuff's thick too. I'm gonna need a boo-boo band-aid. Damn it. So we're in Fort Pierce off of one of these exits on 95, close to the CDL school. You just have these panels everywhere. Yeah, so apparently all those screws didn't hold for shit. But yeah, it was a pretty strong tornado. But I want to see what the other side of this looks like. Yeah. Makes you wonder why they didn't stay. So if they would have put some bolts on there, yeah, more work, but that didn't do nothing. Huh. So maybe some construction people can learn from that. Because apparently it doesn't work. See, we have one of these little power things there. So you got this stuff everywhere. On top of what you already see. See panels in the little canal. What are the odds it gets all the buildings that are business related, and whatever that school right there is, they didn't get touched. See, back to these containers. Man, that is messed up. Look at that. See, these panels are everywhere. So apparently whatever that big building was, I don't think it's this guy. Those panels look kind of new. So you got more chunks of it there. So it doesn't look like the panels from that building necessarily. Got some more over here. So the main building that seems to have brought all these panels are all over the place. See, that guy's all tore up. Poles right there. Not sure how that happened or what happened there. So we do have all the linemen coming out here. There's a whole bunch of them doing what they do. Getting that Wi-Fi back up. And the worst one of all of them, which seems to be where all this metal came from. Alright, so this is an interesting little view right here. Back this up. I took out the damn fence, man. So if you saw the Twister movie and you thought you could strap yourself onto something metal, I don't know if that's gonna work. At least not here. And then this one, I'm guessing that's where all those panels came from, because they look new. But I don't know, what a shitty design. You know, we're in South Florida. They should know this by now. The walls kind of stayed up, because those are, I believe those are cement. But nothing else stayed. So get up in here. Look at all the carnage. Dude. ¿Qué onda? Damn, son. Yeah, this is where all the panels came from. So this building was for lease. It's got like freaking hundreds of bays. Literally hundreds of bays, from what I was told. And that's just, it's like, it looks like it was made out of cardboard, seriously. Now, should the insurance pay for this? Like, they should, right? They didn't get to lease it out. They didn't do anything with the building. They built it right back down. So what happens? Look, there's a little tiny house over there. So unless that's Kansas, I mean that's Dorothy's house. I think it's from that piece. Well, yeah, that's some bad business. So like, pop the doors out on some of them. So who should get some blame other than Milton when it comes to why this building was just so shitty? Look at the walls right here. These walls completely just went to the ground, so nothing's really holding that shit up. You know, they didn't rent it. It's still for, well, it was for lease, not anymore. So it's like, you didn't lease it, but you're gonna get all your money. And whoever built it, I'm not a contractor, I wouldn't know what to tell you, but it doesn't seem like it works, whatever they did. Like, none of it. So is it poor quality, poor design? What could it be? Or it's just the tornado was really that strong. Apparently it was. But wow. That is massive carnage. Look at it. Just all the pieces of metal themselves flew everywhere. Now, if you own a recycling business, oh man, you have some fun picking up some of that metal. That lake got too many sharp objects to swim in. Getting your Wi-Fi back, gotta have the Wi-Fi. Look at these trees. They just ripped palm trees. Oh man, the palm trees can handle it. As you can see, they're still up, but they got no caps. That's pretty bad. And then some of it went here. Man, that is some business. Hit my finger. A little cut. Wasn't very good. That. It's ketchup, by the way. It's paint. I was painting. See these little houses? These guys survive by the skin of their chinny chin chins. Then you have the CDL school in here. They made it. They got a little church right here, so I'm pretty sure these people prayed a lot, at least for the homes. And yeah, it's the end of the ride. This is what I get messing around with debris with no gloves. Look at that. Nice little line right there. Probably have to get a tetanus shot. But since the building was brand new, I doubt it. Shouldn't be that bad. It's paint, ketchup, not a big deal. Closed up pretty good. And yeah. So thanks for watching World Wide Web. I'll see you in the next one.